How to fix Android Auto not connecting. So if you're trying to connect your Android Auto to your car and it's not working or not connecting, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and load up the settings on your phone, and then you'll just need to scroll down to apps and click on this. Now select Android Auto and click on Permissions. Now you need to make sure all of these permissions are set to allowed. So if you scroll down, you'll see this section called Not Allowed. And if you do see anything inside of here, then just make sure to click on this and click on the Allow button. Now once you've done this, you can come back over to the app info, and then we're going to click on Force Stop in the bottom right hand side and click on OK. You could then click on Storage, click on Clear Cache in the bottom right hand side, and then click on Clear Data and click on Delete. Now once you've done all of this, you can go and close out of this page, and then we need to restart the Android phone. So go and hold down the power button on the right hand side and then simply click on the restart button. Now once your Android's restarted, we can go and open back up the settings page. Then from the settings, we're going to click on Connected Devices and click on Android Auto. You could then click on Start Android Auto Automatically and make sure this is set to always. You could then click on Connect a Vehicle, and then you'll just need to go and connect your Android phone to your car using a USB cable, and you should now be able to use all of the Android Auto features.